Have you ever pondered upon your health and wellness goals? In the hustle and bustle of our daily lives, it's easy to overlook our own well-being, but let's take a moment to consider it. Health and wellness aren't just about avoiding illness. They're about feeling your best, physically and mentally. They're about reaching your full potential and living a life that's not just long, but also rich and fulfilling. And how do we achieve these lofty goals? Through a balanced diet, regular exercise, and mental wellness practices? Sure. But sometimes we could use a little extra help. This is where natural supplements come into play. These are tools, not magic bullets, that can support our overall well-being and help us reach our health and wellness goals. So let's delve a little deeper. What if there was a supplement that could help you reach those goals more efficiently? Let's explore this idea further. Meet Lavaslim FR, a natural supplement that can make a significant difference. This isn't just any health supplement, it's a unique blend of nature's finest ingredients, carefully selected for their proven health benefits. Lavaslim FR is meticulously crafted with a focus on overall wellness. Each capsule is a powerhouse of nutrients, combining the raw potency of Mother Nature with modern science. Imagine the lush green fields, the bountiful forests, the crystal clear springs, all the natural wonders of the world, condensed into one small, easy-to-swallow capsule. That's what Lavaslim FR brings to your table. It's not a magic pill, no. It's a supplement designed to support your health in the most natural way possible. From the moment the first seed is planted to the time it reaches your hands, every step in the making of Lavaslim FR is taken with a commitment to quality and sustainability. But what exactly does Lavaslim FR do for your body? Lavaslim FR is more than just a supplement, it's a health enhancer. Imagine a product that could boost your immunity, improve your digestion, enhance your energy levels, and support your cognitive function. That's exactly what Lavaslim FR does. It's not just a supplement, it's a multifaceted health booster that's designed to help you reach your health and wellness goals. Let's delve deeper into these benefits. First off, Lavaslim FR is a potent immunity booster. In a world where health is wealth, having a strong immune system is key. It equips your body with the necessary tools to fight off disease-causing germs and bacteria, keeping you healthy and active. Next, we talk about digestion. A good digestive system is the foundation of good health. Lavaslim FR helps improve digestion, facilitating the breakdown and absorption of nutrients from your food. This means that your body will be able to utilize the nutrients more effectively, leading to better overall health. Energy is another crucial aspect of our lives. We all have those days when we just can't seem to get going. Lavaslim FR enhances your energy levels, giving you the boost you need to power through your day. Whether it's a workout, a busy workday, or simply keeping up with your daily chores, Lavaslim FR can help you stay on top of your game. Finally, let's not forget about cognitive function. In today's fast-paced world, maintaining good cognitive health is more important than ever. Lavaslim FR supports your brain health, aiding memory, focus, and overall cognitive performance. This can help you stay sharp and focused, ready to tackle whatever comes your way. All these benefits are packed into one simple supplement. Lavaslim FR is a testament to the power of nature and science working together. It's a health booster that helps you reach your wellness goals, and it does so in a natural, effective way. With such impressive benefits, wouldn't you want to try Lavaslim FR? Remember, your health is an investment, not an expense. So why not invest in something that brings you a multitude of benefits? Try Lavaslim FR today. Imagine reaching your health goals with the help of a single supplement. Yes, it's possible with Lavaslim FR. It's not just about believing what you hear, it's about experiencing the change yourself. This isn't a magic potion, it's a tool, a companion on your journey to wellness. Lavaslim FR is designed to support you, to help you get to those goals more efficiently and effectively. Picture a healthier, more vibrant you. That's what Lavaslim FR seeks to help you achieve. It's not about overnight transformation, but steady, sustainable progress. It's about enhancing your body's natural processes, not replacing them. So why not give it a try? Experience the difference, feel the change. Let Lavaslim FR be your partner in this journey. After all, the journey to wellness is a personal one, and who better to trust than yourself? Don't just take our word for it. Experience the benefits of Lavaslim FR for yourself.